Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to download Noom app on your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. In order to download the Noom app, you can go to the Play Store, then search Noom on the search button. This page will appear on your icon and then tap the install button. While downloading the app, make sure your Wi-Fi connection or cellular data is strong. It's a weight loss app that uses a psychology-based approach to change your eating habits for better. Once the installation is complete, you can use the app. This app helps you to lose your weight as well as it will make you healthy and fit. So this is how you can quickly download Noom app on your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have any queries or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.